Granny Chronicles. Them say the older the moon, the brighter it shines. But Lord, when Granny did talk it, come with wisdom and discipline. And if you want skip your chores, she say, "Was sweet nanny goat a go run in belly? Come in, Max."
My granny used to say, "Let me spit on the dry before you come back." Yes, if you grew up in my era, those were the words you would hear from your grandparents. So join us Saturday morning and Saturday morning runnings, 10 a.m. sharp, Facebook Live and YouTube Live. Because guess what? If your granny or your grandpa they grow, you don't know it, it's there. So come join me now. Go put in on the 2 cents.
Join with this Saturday morning for the Granny Chronicles Inside the Zone with Lady D and the crew on YouTube. Like, share, and subscribe.